day one in Mangalore, and we are heading towards Panambur beach, which is like just 20 minutes away from here. So we are trying to catch a rickshaw, but there is no rickshaw over here. So what we are going to do is we're just going by walking. Let's see how it looks like. Alright, so we are at Panambur beach right now. Just see the entire look, how it looks like. Alright, so now we just had our lunch over there, and now we are heading towards that part of the place. As you can see, it is totally greenery over there, and there are cool coconut trees out there. So we will fly our drone over there, and let's see some cool drone shots. Alright guys, so it was a very beautiful day today, and I enjoyed a lot. I ate a lot. The food was awesome, and the beaches are like super awesome, and they are very clean actually. And now it is sunset going on. I have already captured a small video of sunset with my GoPro back there, and now we are heading back to the hotel. This was my day one in Mangalore. I and my friend who is sitting over there, we both enjoyed a lot. We had a very good time. The food was awesome. Everything is very good. The people are very friendly over here. Okay, so I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you guys are enjoying this video, please make sure to give a like and subscribe to my channel. I'm doing this just because, like, whenever I go out for traveling, I have no one with me. I go alone, and this is the first time when I'm catching this guy out here. He's my friend, and so this time I have plenty of time to make a vlog, so that's why I'm making this thing. Or else, the remaining time, what I do is just shoot videos and nothing. So it's very beautiful out here. I'm enjoying a lot. Now we are heading back to the hotel. Bye bye.